Notespeller Lesson 13. In this lesson, we'll look at the 12 notes from low G in the bass clef and stem direction.
Here are the first 12 notes starting from low G in the bass clef. Now let's see where they are in relation to our keyboard. Middle C is right here in the middle, because this is our brand name of our instrument here, and middle C is right there. Now middle C is actually that note there with its own special line, or a ledger line. B, the note before, is here. This is one of those middle notes. And then we've got D, the note above, which is here. Now this G here is way down here. And then it goes G, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then A, B, C, and D. And when we're looking at trying to remember our notes, sometimes it's really good to think in signpost notes. Very often those signpost notes are notes like G being the bottom line, and then we've got G, another G is being the top space, C is in the second space here, and then of course we've got middle C there. If you know those ones and really remember those ones, everything else you can kind of work out, because A is the note next door, B is the note before C, D is the note after C, then E's after that, then F's before G, A's after G, B's before C, and D of course is the note above C. So you can see that if you just know those basic ones, that the rest of them you can work out pretty easily. Stem direction. The stem direction of crotchets and minims depends where they are on the stave. If a note is below the third line, so down here, the stems will go up on the right-hand side. If a note is above the third line, so this line here, so if a note is above this line here, note on this line, say up here somewhere, then the stem will go down on the left-hand side. So it's good to remember puppy for the ones where the stem goes down. It goes down on the side like a P, and dog, because the stem goes up on the same side of the note as the stem on dog does. So if you are on the middle, if the note is on the middle line, the stem can either go down or the stem can go up. So let's look at these middle lines. If the majority of notes in the bar are above middle of the middle line, then all of the stems would go down on the left-hand side like it does here. And if the music in the bar, and it just depends on whether it's in the bar, is lower than the middle line, then the stems will go up on the right-hand side.
Now you can complete the exercises in this lesson.